Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to earn rewards on your account on Dramawave easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application. Now as you see here, you are on the home page, so go to this profile section down below here. As you see here, you will find the earn rewards section here. Click on it. Now as you see here, you can watch ads for a reward for a chain coins. That's it. That's how to find the earn rewards section, or how to earn rewards easy and quickly on your account on Dramawave. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.